What's up, y'all? Tuning in Shamo Sama. Today we're gonna react to the loudest knockouts you'll ever hear. No commentary. I'm still playing. Bro, I'm hungry. That was too fast. Bro, y'all heard that? Sound like his jaw broke. Oh! Bro! His head literally went back in place like just do.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I thought he was gonna. I thought the guy. Oh man, I thought he was gonna win. I thought. Is that Muay Thai? That wasn't loud.
3, 4, 5, 6.
That wasn't loud.
7, 8. Walk to me. You want to continue? You want to continue? Let's go. Oh. That's it.
Bro, no, his leg doesn't look like, bro. Like, it didn't even look like it hit him. It just, like, look. Hold on. Look. Wow. He got stepped like a cockroach.
Down. 3, 4, 5. Go!
Mulgar came out. Look, nah. Look at this. Hold on.
Go! Back.
Walk forward. You want to continue? Stop. Hold on. Finish. Finish.
No. Ah. That gotta hurt. Oh. My man look 50.
Choke.
That was the same guy. Like, no, I'm good, I'm good. I missed that. Missed that was in my eye. Oh.
We just need one time to get down. There we go. Elbow. Punch. Let's go.
Stop.
Down. Neutral.
I need to watch the women one. I didn't have. I need to watch it.
5, 6, 7, 8. Look at me. That's it. All right. That's it. You gotta stay ready to fight it.
His leg twist. Oh man.
Down. Back. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk to me. Look at me. You want to continue? Look at. No. That's it. No. Stay.
Ah, I thought the guy in the blue was gonna win. Oh man. I thought he was gonna win. I thought so.
Down. Step back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk to me. You want to continue? Walk to me. Let's go. Stop. That's it. It's okay.
Bro, that's crazy.